In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Keller Williams Google Workspace account to create a scheduler that's very similar to Calendly using the calendar application in Google Workforce. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over on the computer and I'll walk you through how to create a appointment scheduler using Google Calendar. Let's go. Okay, everyone. So if you could see my desktop now, you'll see that I have the Google Calendar application open. And what I'm using right now, I've logged into my KW Gmail account. And then I've gone over, if you click on these little four dots or the grid of 9 blocks here, it's going to let you choose applications within the workspace. I'm going to go to, or I went to Calendar already. And you can see I've got my calendar open here, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be creating today. I'm going to create something like this that's like real estate consultation. It's going to be the description of what we're providing here, how they can book, what I want, what information I want to collect from the customers when they're clicking on this. And then I'm going to show my calendar with availability on there. So what it looks like, I'm going to open that page here really quick. When they click on the link that you provide them, they're going to see a calendar like this. Now we've got a vacation coming up here, so I'm actually out of the office and I've got no appointments available until Monday the 8th. And then they can click on any of the times here, let's say like 9 a.m. And I'm asking for their first and last name, their email address, phone number. Do they want to meet in person, on a phone call, or Zoom? And then are they interested in buying, selling, or both? And then when they book that time, I get an email and a text message that lets me know that they've set up an appointment on there. They'll get an automated response and some alert messages that remind them of the upcoming appointment. Okay, so back to the tab here before, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create this. And then at any point in time, you can see I actually have 3 different schedulers available on my calendars. But if I clicked on any of these, it gives me a little pencil icon where I can edit that appointment, so I can go in and I can change the information in the future. So to create a new one, there's a little bubble over here on the left-hand side that says create. If I click on that, it's going to give me the different types of tasks that I can create, or event, focus time, etc. I'm going to come down here to appointment schedule. And when I click on that, it's going to open this up and it's going to ask me for the title. So I can just say, again, mine is called Real Estate Consultation. And then appointment duration, I like to do them for 30 minutes. And then down here, I can schedule my availability. This is your general availability. So you can come in here and you can create it from, you can do your blocks. So I like to do like 9 to 11 a.m. And then I want to take some time for myself for lunch. So I don't want to come back with any appointments until 1 p.m. And then I'm going to go until 4 o'clock. Now, if I wanted to, I could do an evening block as well. And I could say maybe from 6 to 7, I'll take calls as well. So, and then from here, I could actually copy these. So I can come over here and I can click copy to all, and that'll copy to all days, or vice versa. I could delete some of these time blocks on here. Then down below, I have scheduling window. I'm going to say available now for scheduling. Maximum time in advance that appointments can be booked. I'm only going to allow people to book ahead for 14 days. And then minimum time. So right now it's set to 4 hours. That's okay for me. But if you want to be able to have everybody, if you want to give yourself the entire day to prep for that call, you can go ahead and just change that here. And then down below, adjusted availability, change a date's availability. Booked appointment settings. So if I come in here, I can actually add buffer time and I can set the maximum number of bookings per day. And then I can choose which calendars I want Google to check for availability. So I have it checking my personal calendar here. I can look at other calendars that I've set up. I've connected to our Market Center training account and the PC calendar there that I can pull in from if I want to block off time. So if I already have other appointments scheduled, it will not show those appointments available to the guest that's coming in and trying to book. Okay, so, and then if you want to add co-hosts in here, you can add people via their email addresses right there. So if you have team members or a buyer specialist or a selling a listing specialist or anything that you want to add into the calendar, you can certainly do so right there. Then I'm going to click next. And over here, I can booking page. I can use my picture there, location and conference, select how and where to meet. So you can just say none to be specified later, because in my form, I'm actually asking people to provide their preference down there. So I just choose none to be provided later. Description, you just want to copy and paste the description over here. So if I came to my original one and I looked here, this is my description right here. So I could just copy and paste something similar to that. It just says, let's schedule a 30-minute meeting to explore our real estate services and how we might be able to work together. Then down below is your booking form. Right now, it gives you first name, last name, email address as required. I can add an item right here, and I can say phone number required, add item, and then add item. I'm going to come over here to custom item, and I'm going to say, how would you like to meet? In person, phone call, or Zoom? Question mark. I'm going to make that required, add item, and then I'm going to do one more add item, custom item. Are you interested in buying, selling, or both? Question mark. Make that required as well, add item. And then down here under booking confirmations and reminders, these you could just set up your email reminders to everyone that is on there. So it'll give you a email when they do the invitation initially, and then your reminders based on how many times you have set up. So I like to do like the day before, and then maybe add a reminder in here that says, let's do 1 hour before. And then I could even do 10 minutes before. This is just to prompt the users that they have a meeting coming up with you. That way you have less no-shows. Now, you may also like to text them ahead of time and confirm whatever your business practice is. I'm not going to change that there right now. And then if I came back up here, I'm going to actually change this to 2 because it's probably going to tell me that I already have that name of an event. So when I click save, it's going to put that over here on here. Now I could delete this. I can come in here and edit this. Now, what I really want to look at right now is how do I share this information? So I'm just going to click on share, and that's going to open this up. I can pick any of my calendars that I've created on here, and then it's going to give me the link to that booking page. I'm just going to copy that link. If I wanted to, I could also embed this form on the website. So this is where you would do this. You could do an inline form right here, copy this embed code and paste this into your KW command website. You would just create a custom page and then rich text module. And in there, you could do an HTML embed, and you would just embed this code right here into that. So I'll do another video in the future that shows you how to go through actually pasting that code into your Keller Williams KW command website. So from there, I can also open the booking page. That's going to open that page again that shows you what that calendar looks like. Here's the description that we entered in. And if I go to a available time slot, I can choose any of these, and it's got the information that we set up here, and they can book right there. So I'm going to cancel this again, and I'm going to come back to this. If I want to change anything, I can go to edit, and that's going to pull back up the entire workflow for creating the appointment scheduler. I'm going to close that out. So now that's on my calendar. I can come in here and I can find that real estate consultation. I could delete it. I could do whatever I need to. All right, guys. So I hope that this video is useful for you. Let me go ahead and switch over here again, turn off that screen share. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you've been thinking about using an appointment scheduler, I highly recommend this. It's wonderful to receive these notifications. I mean, I can't tell you, it's awesome when somebody watches a YouTube video or clicks on something from Facebook and they schedule an appointment with you, and you get that little email reminder that says, hey, so and so has scheduled an appointment with you for this week or next week or whatever, and then you can put them into a scheduler from there. In a future video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Zapier to trigger when somebody books an appointment with you. It will enter that information into your KW Command contacts, and you can even tag them and use a tag initiated smart plan to start communicating with them. Guys, if you are looking to level up Command and use advanced digital marketing techniques for your KW Command website, then this YouTube channel is for you. If you got value out of this video, please consider subscribing. Make sure you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching this one. I really hope you gained a lot of valuable information from it. If you did, please do me a huge favor. Make sure you click the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how we did in this video and what types of topics you would like to see me cover in the future. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.